In this video, I want to introduce a 4-in-1 multi-sensor by Philio company, PST02, the A model. This is PST02 actually in its box. Let's unbox it. In the box there is its manual, the device, and screws, 2 types of double coated tapes. Okay, let's open the device. This is the device. 4 sensor function in one device based on Z-Wave Plus. PIR, door window sensor, temperature, and illumination. There are 2 tamper keys in the device. They are used for inclusion, exclusion, association, and resetting the device. One is on the back of the device and the other is inside the device. If both of them are pressed over 5 seconds, the device enters into the alarm state. For the first time, when you want to add this device to Z-Wave network, when you power on the device, just by taking out this insulation mylar in the back side of the device, NWI mode will be started or will be enabled. In this mode, the sensors are unfunctional and its timeout is 30 seconds. While the device is into NWI mode, by entering your gateway into learning mode, it will be added to Z-Wave network. To abort NWI mode, if you press each tamper keys 3 times, it is aborted. If the device is not in NWI mode, for including or excluding the device, the tamper key must be pressed 3 times within 1.5 seconds. By default, when the PIR motion or door window sensor is triggered, in addition to reporting the event, the device also reports the battery status, temperature, and illumination level. Also, there is a temperature differential report too. By default, if temperature is changed 1 degree Fahrenheit, which is 0.56 Celsius, the device reports it. It is good to know that the device measures the temperature every 1 minute. We can have the same setting for illumination. Illumination differential report is disabled by default. If you enable it, the device measures illumination every 1 minute, and if its value is changed by 1, it is reported. Caution: differential reports being enabled while measuring temperature and illumination, PIR sensor is blind, and this happens 1 second every minute. Let's talk about some points. The device reports all its status every 6 hours too, by default, and this time can be changed. After powering on the device, PIR motion needs to be warmed up, and it takes 1 minute. During this time, the LED flashes every 2 seconds. Finishing the procedure, the LED turns on 3 times. The PIR motion redetect interval is set to 24 seconds by default, and this time can be changed. Within the box there are two types of double coated tapes. One is thicker than the other. The thicker one is provided for testing the position. Using it, the tamper key is not pressed. After finishing the test and you decide to fix the device, you should use thinner one. For removing the front cover, this part must be pressed. After removing the front cover, you can see the tamper key inside the device. By installing the front cover, the inside tamper key is pressed. This is the PIR sensor. Easily you can remove the battery. There are two holes. You can mount this device using screws and using these two holes, or by glues. This part is designed for using the tape which is allocated for testing, the thicker one. Let's put the front cover into its place. You can see that there is a line here and here. In the magnet, there is a line here too. While installing the device, pay attention that the lines must be opposite of each other. You can use this way or this way. You can hear when I remove the magnet, there is a tick sound. In next videos, you can see how you can add the device into Z-Wave gateways and how to use it. Subscribe my channel to see more videos about Z-Wave products.